Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to NCS Radha's online teaching academy, Echolocation. Children, let's try to recall the topics we have learned during the previous classes. Sound produced by humans, sound produced by animals, how do we hear sounds, structure of human ear, and speed of sound. By the end of this period, you should be able to state the types of sound and different types of musical instrument. Board CBSE, Class 8th, Subject Science. In our daily life, we have conversation among ourselves. We hear the chirping of the birds or horn of the vehicles or mewing of the cat. They are of so many types, tones and levels of sound. In fact, we can recognize a person by just listening to his or her voice. In this topic, we are going to learn about types of sounds. Sound can be of different types: soft, loud, pleasant, unpleasant, musical, audible and inaudible, etc. Human beings use sound in the form of words, alarms, bells to indicate time and to communicate. We love to listen to music, make music and dance to music. All these forms of sound are sound waves created by vibrating particles of air. But they have different characteristics and properties. Let us discuss about echolocation. What is echolocation? You must have learned about term echoes in previous topics. The method used by some animals to locate the objects by hearing the echoes of their ultrasonic squeaks. Animals such as bats and dolphins use echolocation to find prey. Echolocation works like sonar. Some animals send out sound waves and calls at a very high frequency. When the sound waves hit any object, they are reflected back and produce echoes. Bats and dolphins can tell how far an object is by the time it takes for the sound to return to them. Bats can move in the dark and hunt insects by the use of echolocation. The dolphin makes clicking sounds which travel through the water. The sounds bounce off the fish and travel back to the dolphin's ear. The sounds make a shot of picture. Next, we are going to discuss about sound navigation and ranging. Sonar is an apparatus which is used to find the depth of a sea or to locate the underwater things. It consists of two parts, a transmitter and a receiver. Sonar can be categorized as being active or passive. Active sonar involves the transmission and reception of sound waves. For example, when a submarine is used to map the topography of the ocean's floor, it sends out sound pulses. often referred to as pinks, towards the bottom of the ocean within its vicinity. Next, audible range of sounds. As we have learned earlier, sound volume or loudness is measured in decibels. Most everyday sounds are of a loudness between 10 decibel and 100 decibel. Of these, the sounds louder than 85 decibel can damage our hearing. The range of frequency from 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz is known as the frequency range of hearing in humans. The sounds which we are able to hear is called audible sounds. Let us discuss about infrasonic sounds. The sounds of frequencies lower than 20 Hz are known as infrasonic sounds. Infrasonic sounds are very low frequency sounds. They cannot be heard by human beings. These are less than 20 Hz and can be heard by insects, snakes, elephants, and dogs. Dogs can hear you are coming from a distance even if you walk softly. What is ultrasonic sounds? The sounds of frequencies higher than 20 Hz are known as ultrasonic sounds. Ultrasonic sounds are very high frequency sounds. They cannot be heard by human beings. Bats, dogs, and dolphins can hear the ultrasonic sounds. Now, let's see the difference between supersonic sound and ultrasonic sound. A speed faster than the speed of sound in the same medium is called supersonic sound. Sound frequency is beyond the range of human hearing is called ultrasonic sound. Supersonic sound is measured as Mach number. Ultrasonic sound is measured in Hertz. I hope you understood the difference between supersonic sound and ultrasonic sound. Next, musical instruments. How many types of musical instruments do we have? There are three types. First one, percussion instruments. Second one, wind instruments. Third one, string instruments. What is music? Music is made up of pitch and melody. When different pitches combine with rhythm in a pattern, we have a melody. Rhythm and harmony makes music of different kinds that sounds tuneful. Next, percussion instruments. The musical instruments that are beaten or struck to produce sound is called percussion instruments. They have a tight stretched skin, and when this is beaten, the vibrations cause sounds of rhythm. Drums, dholak and tabla. These are the examples of percussion instruments. The next one, wind instruments. These instruments produce notes by vibrating a column of air. When you blow into a saxophone or flute, the reed inside vibrates, vibrating the air column inside, thereby creating the sound. Let us discuss about string instruments. String instruments create sound by vibrating strings fixed on them. When a musician plucks the string or plays a bow, the string vibrates and creates sound. The sitar, the violin, and the guitar are the examples of string instruments. Now, let's see the demonstration of Jalterang instrument. You can also try it at home. Thank you, children.